Welcome to Holly's Quiet Harbor. Take a deep breath and let your mind begin to rest. Welcome. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Let your eyes close softly and bring attention to your breath. Inhale slowly and exhale gently. Feel the weight of your body supported beneath you. There is no rush, nothing to do. Just this moment of stillness. With each inhale, invite calm. With each exhale, let go of tension. Imagine yourself standing before the entrance to a hidden cavern. The world outside is quiet. The air cool and still. Before you is a stone arch. Its surface faintly glowing, as though guiding you inward. You step closer, and with each breath, you feel lighter, calmer, more at ease. The ground beneath you is smooth and steady. You step inside, leaving behind the noise of the world. The cavern is dim at first, lit by a soft shimmer far ahead. You walk deeper. Each step a choice for peace. The glow grows brighter, inviting you forward. You arrive at a vast chamber filled with crystals of every color Some rise tall, like pillars. Others cluster like shining stars along the walls. The light they give off is soft, luminous, and alive. Find a place at the center of this cavern. Take a slow breath, allowing the crystalline light to surround you. With each inhale, you receive calm. With each exhale, you release what no longer serves you. As you rest, the crystals begin to glow, one color at a time. Each light carries its own gift, its own gentle energy. Breathe with each color, allowing it to fill you. A sapphire glow surrounds you first. With each inhale, feel the cool, steady calm of blue entering your chest. With each exhale, let go of stress, as though your body sighs into ease. Rest in this pool of calm, breathing blue light. Now, a soft emerald light rises around you. With each inhale, imagine this green light flowing into your heart. It brings balance, healing, and gentle renewal. With each exhale, allow heaviness to dissolve. Breathe in wholeness. Breathe out, release. The cavern fills now with a warm golden glow. The light is steady, luminous, comforting. Breathe in golden strength and warmth. Breathe out self-doubt, letting it melt away. Feel your inner flame shining gently, steady as the crystals around you. Now the lights blend together. Blue, green, gold, surrounding you in harmony. This is a sanctuary of light, a space of complete peace. Sit in the stillness. Breathe in. Breathe out. Nothing to do. Nowhere to go. When you are ready, you rise slowly from the center of the cavern. The crystals continue to glow softly, but you carry their colors within you now. Step back toward the archway, retracing your path with ease. With each step, you bring back calm, healing, and strength. The cavern recedes behind you, but its light remains inside. Bring awareness back to your body. Feel the surface beneath you, the weight of your body resting with ease. Notice your breath, calm, steady, natural. Carry with you the blue of calm, the green of renewal, and the gold of strength. They shine quietly within you, always present when you need them. Take one more deep breath. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes.